right, y'all, so we're in the middle of the corona pandemic and I have not been feeling like wearing wigs. This is a wig, came with bundles. I made it into a wig, so you can see here, this is the closure sewed onto the dome cap. I took off all of the bundles because I have not been feeling wigs. I've had my hair in a wig for the last few days, but before that I had did a ponytail, which y'all probably already seen by now, but with the two pieces in the front. So I'm about to do another ponytail because I just don't feel like doing my hair like that. I really wish I could have got some braids, or I wish that I had braids in my hair right now, because with this it's just too much and I'm not feeling it. Okay, so this hair is from World New Hair. And I had two 28s, a 26, 24, and a 20-inch closure, well, frontal. They sent me this little pin. It says Queen on it, which is cute. You can add, like, you know, different ones with your ponytail if you do a ponytail, or however you do it. You can add your pins. I had some hair left from the wig that I made, but obviously I took the wig loose. You get a wig cap. You get, can y'all see that? You get a wig cap. You get this makeup bag, which is actually pretty nice. It says World Hair and everything on the back, but it's a pretty big size. And then you also got these little travel like makeup brushes. Like, they send you some nice little gifts, and you get lashes too. Like, that's a lot of stuff. Usually, you know, you just get lashes, but you got a makeup bag, makeup brushes, a hairpin, lashes, all of that. So yeah, that's everything that came in the package. So basically what I did, my hair was already done for wearing wigs. Like, y'all know, I do part down the middle with two plaits, and that's how I wear my hair in, you know, two little plaits that's braided. So I took that loose and I kind of blow dried it out, just so that it wouldn't be so puffy whenever I braid my actual hair. So I kind of blow dried it out, and my hair had like oil and moisturizer and everything like that in it. So this is what I did. And then I just did my baby hairs and slicked my hair up into a ponytail, which is so simple. I feel like I didn't need to show y'all this. Plus, I just showed you this in the video where I did the half up, half down. It's like the same exact baby hairs and everything. And then I left these side pieces because I'm gonna flat iron them with my mini flat iron, and then do my little side pieces like I like to do. But yeah, I'm gonna take the bundles and put this ponytail on. I don't feel like having to conceal my bun, but at the same time I do not feel like doing a genie ponytail, so I don't know. Plus, a lot of times whenever you do the genie ponytail, it's heavier at the bottom, especially like since my hair is kind of longer, you know, you will start down here, but sometimes you can like wrap it up and make it shorter, but it's just too much. I don't feel like doing it. And then the ponytail gets way down, and I like to have a nice thick band that makes the ponytail sit up nice and high. So I'm just gonna do it regular. So I'm just gonna wrap this around. Let's see what's the best way to make this as small as I can. If you have shorter hair, this is so much easier to conceal. I'm gonna kind of twist it some, trying to get it nice and small as I can. And I just use some gel and some edge control in the front on the baby hairs. I didn't really care if my hair got a little wavy, but you know, for the most part, if I'm pulling it all in a ponytail, it stretches out pretty good. So I will smooth it out and blow dry it and everything, but it's not completely laying down. Like, you know, I got some little pieces sticking out right now, but I will fix that later because it's gonna stick out even more whenever I wrap this pony on. So the way that I took the tracks off was from the back, so I would know what bundle is the longest bundle. So I'm just gonna start with this longest one. I need to pull out these strings, and then you will see me just go ahead and do my ponytail. And then I guess I will do some wand curls with this hair, or straighten it. I don't know how I want to wear it yet, but I need to pull off these little strings that's on here from me sewing it into a wig, because this is going to annoy me. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna start wrapping the ponytail on. Okay, so I kind of wanted to explain this process that I do. So I took the track and it's doubled up like 2 pieces, put it together so it lines up perfectly, and then it's doubled. And then I'm gonna take the ends of the track, some of the hair from each track. So we have 2 tracks, so you're gonna take some hair from each piece and just have this little tail sticking out. And this is what I'm going to use to wrap around my bun. So I will kind of like put the track behind, take this piece and wrap it around the base of my bun. And while you're doing this, you want it to be tight, but you don't want to wrap it too tight where you're going to get a headache or anything. And then I'm going to start taking the hair that is on the track, and then we are going to wrap this around. And whenever you are wrapping it, you are going to pull it taut or tight or whatever you want to call it. And then I just like to kind of, I hate when this hair like gets all on my face like that. Okay, so I'm just going to take it and keep wrapping underneath the hair that's already there. Like, you don't want to wrap it on the top, if y'all know what I'm saying. Like, it's kind of hard to explain, but you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to keep wrapping it around and moving the hair out of the way to the other side, and then continuing to wrap. And as you are wrapping, you want to kind of pull it to make it a little tight, but you don't want it to be too tight where you're going to get a headache. So once you get to the end, you're going to take another piece of hair from here to use to wrap around the ponytail to secure it. And this way you don't need any bobby pins. So continue wrapping the track, and then take the end piece and wrap this around. And usually to remove it, because that may be a question for some people, because it's like, how can you find that little piece of hair? It's not like you have to pull out a bobby pin or anything. I usually just pull mine off literally, like it doesn't damage my hair or anything, and it's no bobby pins holding it down, so it will usually loosen up and just pull right off. Okay, until you don't have any piece left. So this is how one, I believe, is this one bundle, or did I end up cutting? I don't think I did, so I'm thinking this is one bundle. And it's still pretty thin, so I'm definitely gonna do another. Y'all could kind of see everything pretty much, except for the ponytail is not curled or the band is not there. But I took my mini flat iron, and then I'm just going to flat iron this out. And I really didn't think about this because this hair has been heavily moisturized, all of it, so I don't know how this is gonna go. But it looked like it'll be okay. So I just kind of flat iron it and kind of do like a curl in it. Then I'm gonna take some edge control on my little dirty edge brush that I need to go clean, and then take a little at the top and swoop it. Like that. Strong. Smooth this back out. Wrap it around. You can see how the band is looking. Alright, my camera is dying. I'm gonna put another battery in, but I'm just gonna start doing my wand curls. I'm using this size barrel, so I'm just gonna put some curls in, and then I'll be back. Okay, dolls, so this is the completed look. Just something really simple and easy to do. You know, just to do your hair a different way if you don't want to wear a wig or whatever. A ponytail is a really simple, easy, quick method. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this. This was in the middle of quarantining. Things are starting to open back up now, but I'm just now editing the video. But yeah, you could do this anytime.